Hello everyone, this is PSP Slim Hacks, and today I'm going to do a very short tutorial on how to do split screen on your Chromebook device. So for example, I have the application Zoom running on the Chromebook as well as the internet browser. Let's say I want to easily do split screen, so instead of you manually dragging your computer and your windows and adjusting them manually, you could simply click on the window that you want to do the split screens. So right now I have selected the Chrome browser, and I'm going to hold Alt, and I'm gonna use these two arrow keys right here, these two brackets right here. So what that's gonna do is gonna automatically adjust where I want the screen. So if I want to do it to the left, I just press the left bracket. If I wanted to do it to the right, I'll just I'll just hold the right bracket. And same thing with the zoom window, or it could be any other window. Alt and then the right bracket. And this is one simple way on how to do split screen on the Chromebook. Thank you for watching, everyone.